Hi my lord, dear doctors. Today we are going to discuss about another topic from Bechman and Ling Gynecology and Obstetrics book. Today we will discuss about the Leopold phenomena or the Leopold maneuver. In this, what we do, we check or we identify the fetal presentation, the fetal position, and fetal lying into the mother womb by using our palm, finger, and hands. So it has four steps. Number first, that is what we call as the fundal grip, in which we palpate the fundus. Okay, that second one, that is the umbilical grip. Third one, pollic. Number four, that is called as the second maneuver of Leopold. So we will go one by one. Number first two that present here, that is called as the fundal grip. Why fundal? Because we can see that with the gestational age of 34 to 36 or 40 or 42, we can see that the fetal part that is presenting upside, or we can say that the head of the uterus, that is the fundus. Okay, it completely or approximately reaches just below the xiphoid process of the sternum or just below the costal arch. So we can see here that it will be the fundal area. So in this condition, what we do, we put our both fingers over the fundus, okay, and start to palpate, start to feel that which part presenting here. So if the head is presenting here, it means that we will feel when we palpate at that region, we can feel that something is a little bit hard, something is round and smooth, and we can see that it can movable freely. Okay, so we can see that here the head of the fetus is present. So in this condition, we can say that the fetal head is toward the fundus and the fetal line is not vertex, it may be breech presentation because the head is upside. So it is called as fundal grip. Okay, fundal grip, the first one. So the second one is we use in order to find the back of the fetus, and either the back is on the right side of the mother, either the back is on the left side of the mother. So for that purpose, we use our both palm. We little bit put pressure on the side of the umbilical region of the mom. When we in this condition, we fixed one hand first, it will not move, and the second we will move this hand. Okay, we will move up down like this, okay, by putting little bit pressure. So in that condition, we can feel that there is a smooth area coming up and down. Okay, there is no prominency of bone. Okay, there is no irregularity. So we can say that this area is might be possible that it may be the back. For that purpose, we need to need to move another hand also. So in that condition, we will fix this hand now this time and start to move this hand. So once we move this hand up and down and to palpate that region, in that condition, if the fetal back is toward the right, here we cannot feel a smooth area. Here we feel that it is not a regular part, there is some bony area, there is some protrusions. Okay, so we can say that the back is not on this side. So we come to know by using both palms, by using our hand, by putting a pressure, by palpating the areas, we can identify that either the back is toward the right side or either the back is toward the left side. So why it is called as umbilical grip? Because it is performed near the umbilical region of the mom. So it is called as the umbilical grip, and this one is the fundal grip. So these two is the first two procedures of the Leopold maneuver. The third and the fourth one is that in the third position that in the third part that is called also called as Pollock's maneuver. Okay, so in this condition what we will do, we put our one hand above the fundus, okay, in the upper region, and by using only our finger just above the pubic symphysis, okay, we will palpate that which part is here. So if we find that there is a smooth area, there is a round, little bit round shape, and there is no bony area, bony protrude area, okay, the bone is not coming up and down, there is no irregularity, so we can say that the fetal head is here. But if what happen if the breech position, if the fetal buttock is near to the internal os, or the fetal buttock is toward downside, so at that condition we feel that there is a smooth area, there is we can see that the muscles are smooth. In that condition we can feel that this is not the head, now this is the lower area of the fetus, and this is what the breech position, breech presentation. So this is what about these two. So what happens if the shoulder is presenting part, or if the legs are presenting part, if the leg is here or the shoulder is here, okay, in that condition we again feel that there is no regularity, there is irregular protrusions, and there are some bony processes, okay, so we can feel by using our fingers. So this is third maneuver in which we can see that which part will be the presenting part. So this is a check to check for the presenting part. Okay, and what about the fourth one? Fourth one is a condition in which we use our fingers or both hands in order to find the brow of the fetus, that either the head is extended position or either the head is in flex position. We can identify by using our hands. So in this condition what we do, we will gently and little bit putting pressure, we can move down our both hand on the both side of the mother womb. So once we move our hand from up to down in both conditions, there will be some area which provide resistance to the downward movement of our hand. For example, in this condition the hand is freely moving downward, there is smooth area of the back and the occiput. In this condition, okay, if we come down, here is the greater area. So here we can touch the brow and we can not further move our hand down. So in that condition we will say that the head is flexed, okay, the head is opposite to the back and the brow is here. Okay, if the head is extended like this, then we can move down. So these are the conditions which are used in order to identify either the fetal position, the fetal presentation, and fetal brow. So this is something about the Leopold maneuver.